Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Supabase to N8N. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you already have your Supabase project URL and secret key ready. And first open your N8N, either cloud.n8n.io or your local installation. And then after you log in, you will click create workflow or open an existing workflow. And then after that, you will click the add node button and search for the Supabase node. Then you will choose which operation you want to perform, such as select, insert, update, or delete. Then you will click create new credentials under Supabase credentials, and then in the pop-up and in the pop-up you will just have to enter the Supabase URL. So it is usually uh, found in your uh, found in your project settings. So go ahead to your settings and then scroll down a little until you see this. So what you will have to do is just simply copy that, and then you will just have to paste it there. And then for your secret key, you will have to go to view API settings, and then click API keys, and then click legacy anon and service role API keys, and then here's your secret key. And yeah, that's basically just it. And after entering your key, you will just have to click save and then configure your table name and fields in the node settings. And finally, you will just have to click execute node to test your connection. And if everything is correct, and will return response data from Supabase. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.